Hey kids, today we're going to tell you a fun story about a turtle and a rabbit. And if you happen to like it, you can also listen to ToffeeTV's Urdu version of it. So here we go, the story of the turtle and the rabbit. Once upon a time, there was a turtle. He was making his way slowly. On the way, he met his friend Rabbit, who saw his friend walking so slowly, and burst out laughing. "My dear friend, you are so slow." "I would like to let you know," said the turtle, "that I might be slow, all right. But whenever we race, I will walk right past you and win." The rabbit laughed crazily and said, "Oh yeah? Really? Seriously?" "I'm only saying what's right and true. You can try and prove me wrong if you want." The rabbit became very annoyed at all this talk, and he agreed to race his friend Turtle. He called on their friend Mouse to help them both settle this somehow. Mouse made both Rabbit and the turtle stand next to each other, and he said, "Do you see that mulberry tree there? Right there? Look! Whoever runs till there and comes back first will win. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, run!" And off ran the rabbit. The turtle took off slowly too, and the race began. Far ahead was the rabbit, running furiously, and the turtle was making his way slowly and steadily. When the rabbit reached the mulberry tree, he thought to himself, "My dear friend Turtle would not even have walked 10 meters, so why should I hurry? Let me rest in the shade of this beautiful tree." And with that, the rabbit fell asleep. On the other side, Turtle, who was walking slowly yet steadily, reached the tree, passed his sleeping friend, and went back towards the finish line. Only then did he wake up and start running again. Mouse was just standing there enjoying all the action. Rabbit reached the mouse and said, See, I told you I'd win." Mouse said, "No, you didn't win. Our friend Turtle won. He came back ages ago while you were snoring away." The rabbit became very sad to hear this. And you know what made him even more sad? It was the fact that he had tried to show off in front of his friend, just because his friend moved a little slowly. And that's not very nice. So kids, did you like the story? And hey, you don't do anything like this to your friends, do you?